Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I am doing the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news into the market at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing because the price could be really volatile. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart of EURUSD, and what we can see is that the price is sweeping the monthly highs and moving into the opposite directions. So we can anticipate that the price is a little bit sideways right now. So let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that we were having this FVG. Let me move. We were having this particular FVG and the price disrespected it. The problem is that even after disrespecting this FVG, the price failed close below this candle's low. So we are still not having any flip zones, but we are uh, sideways to bearish into the market right now because not only this FVG, but we were having this inverted volume imbalance and the price went below and we are currently below this structure. So this will also act as resistance for the price. Let's move to the dailies now. So as we move into the dailies, what we see is that after taking the monthly lows, price sprung up and currently we are having this BPR, but the closest target will be this particular low because this is going to be the vulnerable low for the price to tap the BPR. Now, currently we are responding from this particular flip zone from where the price was supposed to move into the upside direction, but it didn't, and we moved into the downward side. So currently, I'm anticipating that most likely we could be bearish into the market. Let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, what we see is that it is complicated over here because the price is having equal highs, most likely this particular high, and we are having unmitigated FVG at this point, and I have to change the color, I guess. So like this. Oh, right. Yeah, so one FVG that is unmitigated, the price is accumulating below it, and we are having the main bias of market as bearish. So plus it is also within this flip zone range. So, so I'm anticipating now that most likely we can see a possible uh, manipulation into the market. It will be quite subtle that the price, okay, white. So if the price could move like this, then we can come down till this BPR level. It might be white. I'll be doing it black so it will be visible. So this is what I'm anticipating right now, that this all liquidity will be taken by the market and the price will sprung up, mitigate this level of unmitigated for our FVG, and then we can possibly see the price move with the downward side. So this will happen, and whoever is anticipating right now uh, that the price could be bearish because of this particular shift, their stop loss might be over here and will be, and the market is going to take the stop loss at this point. So we'll be targeting our entry at this point into the bearish side and then till this level particularly. This is the 4 hour overall scenario, but let's move to the 2 hours. As we move into the 2 hours, what we see is that the price is accumulating below this candle's body low and particularly this candle's body low. So this is a clean sideways zone and not healthy for trading higher time frame narratives. So basically, it is a trap, and we'll wait for the price to show the hand in either side. So let's move to the 30 minutes. So we can clearly see it is a all choppy uh, structures, and currently nothing much is clear the where the price is responding from. So I'll keep myself away from this particular price action, and I'll be waiting for the price to have a clear bias to trade into the market. So this was pretty much it. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.